In this video, we'll talk about using Coinigy and Gunbot as your alert system. Now, this can be done with TradingView, and you can use any application, any mobile app to be able to give you some type of an alert system. I'm using Coinigy because it works for me. Allows me to do manual trades as well. I'll have the link in the description if you're interested in getting an account. But this is what I'm using. So I want to show you a means to be able to semi-automate your trading process when the bot gives you bags, right? So this is what the alert system is for. It's not just for bags and bag management, but it's also for plays. So being able to trade your plays better. I'll show you an example of this. Here, I have a ticker PIVX, P-I-V-X. And you can see in my bot, I made a purchase up here. And what I did is I set an alert. If you go into the alert screen, on the Bitconnect exchange, PIVX, BTC, if it rises above a particular number, which is my buy price, which you can easily take what you purchase it at from your admin. So let's say I went to Bittrex and I got my pay rate, my purchase price. So if in my Gunbot playbook here, I have PIVX and the date I purchased, which is, as you can see, 23 days ago, and then what I purchased it for. The actual rate that you'll see inside your PIVX account is 88,699. So now you can see I set that up in here at what my purchase price for this transaction was. So where am I holding that bag? And I turned off the bot on this ticker and now have this set up properly. Right? So now what I can do is go into alerts, copy and paste that number in here, and you can drag and drop it if you want. Like if you want it to be someplace else a little bit tighter or something of that nature, you could set it where you want. You can type in, so let's say if I say this is my bot buy price, and then what I can do is now activate this by just setting the alert. Okay? Now I'm not going to do that since I already have an alert set for this. But what I can do is now when this goes back to this level and it hits this level again, the bot will let me know, hey, this ticker is back in play and we can begin trading on this. Now, I'm going to actually potentially play something else on this, which is in a later video of the 2 paths of profitability. This is a path that is semi-automated and you're just going to wait for the play to come back. Sensi Kevlar actually has another way of bag management. It's doubling down or tripling down on the trade when it reaches other support levels. But we'll talk about that in a later video. But what I can do is not only can I set this up like this, but I can say, hey, you know what? Let me know what's the ticker price from where I bought it at. I want 10% gain. Where is that? So let's say it's right around here for a 10% gain. I'll stop it right. It's not going to be perfect. Yeah, I actually got it. So now you see where this number is. 97233. I'll copy that. That's my 10% gain. I'm now going to put that into my ticker right there. I'm going to say 10% gain. Activate the bot. Set the alert. It's set. I can now delete this. And now I know whenever this hits up here, I'm now in a 10% run and I can just turn the bot back on. Or if I want to do other positions, which I'll talk about later, using the same strategy, I can set for lower positions to let me know when the bot is in play for maybe a double or triple up price. Right? So that is how you can use Coinigy or whatever alert system you want to use to be able to have your bots trade at better values, but not be focused on those bots on each ticker that you have in your bags that you're holding. Because you'll see I'm holding multiple bags and multiple tickers, but these are the ones I've shut off. And I've set alerts for every single one of these to let me know when they're back in play, and when they're not just when they're back in play, but let me know when they're back in play and I've got a 5, 10, or even 15% gain on the run on that ticker. So hopefully that can help you, show you how you can use something like Coinigy or TradingView or whatever app you want to use. Start thinking about using those things as an alert system to notify you when a ticker is in play, maybe when a ticker is out of play, if you have a sideways moving position or a sideways coin like Steem, like I showed you earlier, that it's hit its bottom again. I could sit there on Steem and then activate an alert to let me know when Steem is back in play after I've run it up, and I turn off the bot when I'm not holding a bag, right? So it's just a smart way of playing your bot with having the info of an alert notify you when that ticker is in or out of play.